In this tutorial we will see how we can sign the data with our keys to authenticate data or files that belong to us. We select the option Sign Data and Documents and we choose Sign Your Data. Next, we select the key we want to use to sign our data. In the next screen we can create a list of items we can sign. We will start easy and we will only create a text data to sign. Once we have the desired text to sign, we press the Sign button. Then we get the signature of the previous data. Thanks to this signature and the public key, anybody can verify that I have typed that text for real. Now let's go to the verification process. Back to the main screen, we select the option Verify Authenticity. Now we proceed to get the text that I previously have typed. Next, we press the verification and we are asked two values, the signature and the public key. Thanks to that two values, we can proceed to verify that text belongs to me. You can use this process to sign any kind of document. In the rest of the tutorial we repeat the previous process, but we are going to sign a file.